Good morning, handsome. I see we got distracted. The house looks like Disney World, and I feel like I really haven't talked to y'all since Christmas. Let's make some coffee. I did a grocery delivery order, so this is just what I got from Whole Foods. It's not my favorite, but it works. The grocery store that sells my favorite coffee, they don't do delivery or pickup orders, so gonna have to wait for a bit on that one. We're a little bit distracted. Hey, why don't we finish this? Why don't we finish that? Yeah, why don't we finish that and then we can play? Yeah. Yeah. I thought we were having a moment. Okay. Okay. I get it. I get it. Alright, see ya. What are you doing? Yeah. Mama was your first word. What happened to mama? Now it's all about dada. What's that about? What's that about? Boom. So Kennedy's been sleeping for like 14 hours. Yeah, I don't know. And Carl, I got up with Gray just to say thank you. Because he's really been holding the house down the past few days. Yeah, he has. Who is that I hear? Carl. Good morning. Dexter! Hi, Dex.
Pouch.
Oh, you want pouch? Thank you for the twinkle twinkle performance. You want pouch?
Pouch, please.
Okay. The house looks like Disney World, and it's an absolute disaster. The thing is that the cloth has just been so dry. It's just like, I don't know. I have a hard time getting relief. Hopefully I start to feel better tomorrow, the day after that. I'm so tired just from coughing. Like, my stomach is just so fatigued. You got your pouch. What are you making?
Tater tots with garlic and cracked black pepper.
Oh, fancy. Okay, so now I need to figure out what we're doing for dinner because it's New Year's Eve and we were actually supposed to be out of town at my mother-in-law's, and obviously that didn't happen. So I have no idea. I don't know. Should we just order takeout tonight? Although I feel like everyone orders takeout on New Year's Eve. I don't know. Maybe I'll do another grocery delivery or something. I don't know. I am a little bit sad because last night I was going to make a homemade tomato soup, but all of my tomatoes were bad, so I'm kind of still thinking about it. I don't know. I hope you guys have a great New Year's Eve, and what should I do for dinner? Let me know, because I really don't know. I'll talk to you later. Bye.